Hi friends and well-wishers, welcome back to our channel once again. So we are going to start our competitive examination special, which are very most interesting for the future aspirants. So area and perimeter. Let us go through our first question now. Part 1, first part. The area of a triangle whose sides in centimeters is given by is R 41, 9 and 40 is. So in centimeters, these are all centimeters. We had to find out its area. A, B, C, D options are given. So now in order to find out the area of the triangle, okay. So if you observe carefully, these three are different in lengths, nothing but they are scale and they are the sides of the scale and triangle. Now we are going to find out the area by two different methods. So let us start now. Let A is equal to 9 centimeters and B is equal to 40 centimeters and C is equal to 41 centimeters. Okay, now Heron's formula is given by delta is equal to root of S of S minus A of S minus B of S minus C, where our S has its original meaning, nothing but it is given by A plus B plus C over 2. So this is nothing but semi-perimeter, half of the perimeter. So now S is obtained by sum of all the sides by 2. So therefore now S is nothing but here A plus B plus C by 2. So 9 plus 40 plus 41 by 2. If you add, you are going to get here 50 by 2. Sorry, here it is 90 by 2. You are going to get 45. So therefore our value of S is nothing but 45 centimeters. Semi perimeter we got. So finally we had to substitute here. So therefore now this implies delta is given by root of 45 of 45 minus A is nothing but 9 and B is nothing but our 40 and C is nothing but here S minus C 41. So now, so this implies delta is equal to, I can write here 45 into, this is 36 into, and this is here 5 into, this is here 4. So don't be panic, after multiplication you are going to get the biggest number. Okay, here in order to avoid, I am going to simplify in another way. So this implies go through the prime factorization individually here itself. So 9 into 5, so I can write it as 3 square into 5, and this is nothing but 2 square into 3 square, and this is 5 into 2 square. So this is our delta. So nothing but delta is equal to root of, I can write here 3 power 4, because 3 square into 3 square. Next 5 square. Next 2 square into 2 square is 2 power 4. Have been applied a power m into a power n plus 1 for here. For 3's, 5's and 2's. So since we have under the root, I can write now delta is nothing but here 3 square into 5 into 2 square. So delta is nothing but, because under the root we have root of xyz, root x into root y into root z. So now 9 into 5 into 4, which gives you delta is equal to 9 5 45, 45 into 4, you are going to get 180 centimeter square. This is the area of the triangle by traditional method, our general method, our regular method. So but our intention is to go through the competitive examination method. So let us go through it now. So this is our first method, method 1. Now I am going through the fast track method here. So what is our fast track method? Here 41, 9, 40. They are the sides of the scalene triangle as well as the sides of the right angle triangle, nothing but it forms a Pythagorean triplet. So that you have to observe before going through the fast track method or general method. So it is very applicable for our fast track method here, since it forms a sides of the right angle triangle, nothing but Pythagorean triplet. So 9, 40, 41 forms a Pythagorean triplet. Okay, so therefore area of triangle is given by half into forms a Pythagorean triplet. 41 will act as a hypotenuse, so half into product of legs. So nothing but half into our 9 into 40. So 2 ones and here it is 20s. So finally I can write 9 into 20, which gives you area of triangle is 180 centimeter square, or you can write square centimeters. Okay, so this is nothing but to find out the area of the right angle triangle. Here it is scalene triangle. After deciding it forms a Pythagorean triplet, sides of the right angle triangle. This is the process. So I think so you have taken this one in generally 10 seconds. Just sides of the right angle Pythagorean triplet, just calculations. Okay, here our option is nothing but B option, but it takes here, this method takes generally 2 methods, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or sometimes 5 to 6 minutes also. So once you have the total look, and here this is nothing but our Heron's formula. Okay, so B option 180 centimeters square centimeters, here area of triangle. So finally in this way we can overcome the anxiety in the competitive examination. First read the question 2 times, analyze. If it is forms the sides of the right hand triangle, this is the process. So I hope so you like this video a lot. Please, after watching, if you feel good, like, share to your near and dear. Still those who did not subscribe it. Comment our Square Maths YouTube channel. See you in the next session.